is up, everybody? I am at the world famous Venice Beach Skate Park. It's right behind me, and that's what we're going to be shooting today. We're going to be shooting skateboarders, roller skaters, razor scooters, I don't know, whatever. Anybody on wheels skating at the skate park. It's going to be cool. It's going to be fun. We're going to have a blast. I brought my Leica M240, and that's what I'm going to be shooting today. I don't care that it's not a great action camera. It gets the job done, and yeah, let's see what we get. Come on, let's do it. Come on, come on, come on. So let's talk a little bit about shooting at the skate park. As always, just be cool. I would recommend, if it's your first time shooting at the skate park, stay on the other side of the rail and then shoot from there, because you know, you just gotta kind of get a lay of the land first and make sure you're not gonna be in anybody's way, because it can be dangerous. They can hurt themselves, or you could get hit by a board. Also, skaters are kind of territorial, let's be honest. You wanna be laid back and cool and enjoy yourself, right? And then once you get comfortable, then like get on the other side of the fence, get in there, take some shots, be quick about it. Ask permission, say, hey, is it cool if I take some photos of you skating? Most of the time they say yeah. If I get some really cool stuff, I'll be like, hey man, I got some cool shit of you skating. What's your Instagram? Let me tag you on it. Or what's your email? Let me send them to you. And they always appreciate that. Right? Just a couple little tips. Take it from what they're worth. Andre, are you on Instagram? What's it under? Dre Shoots Film. That was freaking awesome. Love it. Cool, man. Thanks. I'll check out your stuff. Unbelievable that I got the shot of that guy flying over the photographer. Holy, that was crazy. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how I shoot street photography with a manual focus camera. You have all the little numbers on the top. Most people see that stuff and they're like, what the hell is that? It scares them. Don't let it scare you, because once you figure out, it's super easy. Quick tutorial, this will get you going. There's tons of this stuff on YouTube, but this is the way I do it. So what I usually do, set it at f8 because everything looks great at 8, right? Okay. I will put the infinity marker. See, there's an infinity marker. I don't know if you can see on here. but on your lens there will be an infinity marker, your prime lens. I will put that on f8. There's an 8 on this side, and you will see on this side there's another 8. So on the left side there's an 8, on the right side there's an 8. I put the infinity marker on the 8, and it tells me that at f8, from 6 feet to infinity will be in focus. Critical focus being at 12, right? That's what the numbers mean. So there's a 6 that lines up on the left side, and there's the infinity on the other side, and there's a 12 right in the center, right on the critical focus mark. So you know from 6 feet to infinity, you will be in focus. Super easy. It works that way with f11. I'll move the infinity marker to f11, and I will know from 5 feet to infinity is in focus. Critical focus is at 11 feet. So you can essentially just set that and go and shoot all day long, as long as, you know, I have it in aperture setting, so the camera handles the shutter speed for me, and so you can just shoot all day long at that. But what I like to do, and the way I get the look for my photos, is I will come up to a situation and I will see it, and I will take a couple of snaps at f11 or f8, whatever I have it set at, because I know it'll be in focus, and then I will quickly slide the aperture ring to like 2 or 2.8, because I love a shallow depth of field, especially in street photography. It's interesting because not a lot of people have it, because they don't have the patience to do this. And then I will look through the lens, focus, and then start taking more shots. So if I have an opportunity where the situation lasts a little longer, I'll take the first shot at like f8, f11 to know that I have that shot, and then I will slide the aperture ring to f2, f2.8, and try and get something more interesting for myself. Lucky for me today, my cousin Pino Martinez, that's him right behind me, came out and met me to shoot. He's a good photographer. Pino, what's your Instagram? At HiggyMart. HIGGY MART at HiggyMart. Say what up.
What up?
Honestly, most of the time, I don't like shooting with other people because they kind of weigh me down or get in my way, but Pino's different. He's into it. He's fun. So come on. I'm glad he met me.
So do you have any idea?
That was the Venice Beach Skate Park. What did you think? Did you dig it? Smash the like button, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff, whatever we're supposed to do here on YouTube. I just like doing this stuff with y'all. I like showing this to you guys. My next vlog, I think, is gonna be on Venice Beach, like the boardwalk. There's so much good stuff here. For so many years, I've been getting outrageous photos here. There's so many characters and interesting people, and it's always lively here. When you come to LA, make sure you visit Venice Beach. Go to the skate park. Either skate, take photos, do whatever you gotta do. Just live life, have fun. Stay.